Alright, the web slinger, the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. He goes by so many different names, and today we're going to be trying just to draw his mask or his face. So, let's jump into it. Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's adventure, we're going to learn how to draw Spider-Man's face or give it our best shot. So, let's get to it. We're first going to begin just with his head. So first what we're going to do is his face is in an oval. So we are going to start here and make a slight rounded point, I would say. Awesome, just like that. And then we're going to come up and around, make that top part just a little bit wider. And then connect the two. Awesome, looking good. Alright, next thing we want to do is his eyes. So first what we're going to do is we're going to come down a little ways and do a straight line. And then right here on the end, what we're going to do is do a nice curve line up. And stop. And then curve down, and then connect. Awesome, just like that. Alright, same thing on the other side. Curved line, then drop down and connect. Awesome, looks good, guys. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add a side diagonal, straight line, and then diagonal. Awesome. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add straight lines for the webs that's all over his mask. And then let's have two lines come down straight, or close to straight, a little bit diagonal. And then have some more come this way, over here, over here. And I feel like we're still missing one more, so let's do one more up the front. And then what we're going to want to do is start connecting it with spider webs. And how to do this is we're just going to curve and connect. Curve down and connect. Curve down and connect. And then this one curve to the side, connect. We want all the curved parts to be facing inward. So when we get down here, we want to curve up. Up. Okay, so let's start doing that. See how I'm curving towards the center? Okay, now just to add one more detail to his eyes, what we're going to do is we're going to add just an outline on the inside. Alright, and then from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to color in this outer edge of the eye, and then I'm going to color it red, and then we'll be done. So, just to make this quicker and simpler, I'm going to go BAM! Alright, and there we go. We're all done. We drew the Spider-Man mask, and it looks great. It's colored in. We darken around the eye, and there we go. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos on how to draw superheroes, draw Sonic, and other characters as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.